Namaste everyone. My name is Arab Sharma. Today we are going to do a ice melting experiment. For this experiment we need first ice cube, two transparent jars. We need to put cold water and hot water in separate jars. This is cold water, this is hot water. Let's start the experiment. First we need to put three ice cubes in the separate jars. First let's put it in the cold water. It's so cold. Second we put it in Second we put this in hot water. It's so cold. Now we have to wait for the results. We don't have to wait too long because the hot water is melting already. 1 minute. We can see that in hot water, the ice cubes melt faster than the cold water. Thank you. Have a nice day. Namaste.